Privacy settings hurting YouTube creator growth. Although I can appreciate YouTube's default privacy settings, being myself a lawyer, and understanding the significance of preventive legal action, as a YouTube creator, these default settings are hurting our collective growth. When you recognize that the default privacy settings will seriously impede a YouTube channel's growth, especially one that has just started and has yet to pass 1,000 or even 10,000 subscribers, changing those settings to reduce your privacy, which equates to increasing your visibility, seems to be a rather good trade-off. Here's an actual fact. Less than 2% of my subscribers have switched off the default privacy settings, resulting in over 98% of my subscribers remaining hidden from me, which means that I am unable to see if they are of interest to myself, not only to view their videos and potentially subscribe to their channel, as there would already appear to be the possibility of shared interests, but there may also be further business potential and collaboration possible. Because another professional or entrepreneur that is harnessing the power of YouTube and the internet to advance their own commercial venture is a kindred spirit, representing untapped potential. Yet where that YouTuber remains anonymous, there is no possibility whatsoever. Personally, I don't believe that over 98% of my subscribers want to be anonymous and avoid the potential commercial opportunities that could be realized by being visible on YouTube. Instead, I believe that most people are simply unaware that they could open themselves up to such business opportunities, including the growth of their YouTube channel. So how exactly do you see if the default setting is making you invisible to YouTube creators? And how do you switch off the default setting to make you visible to YouTube creators, among others, such that you might grow your YouTube channel and make yourself open to new business opportunities? To access the default setting, you need to log into YouTube on your computer. Now, once you are logged in, you will need to navigate to the top right of the web page and click on your profile picture. Upon clicking on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear, and near the end will be settings that you will need to click on. This will open up the account page, which in the left menu will have a number of setting options, with the one to select being privacy. On the privacy page, you'll want to go to the first option, which is subscriptions. And here you'll want to turn off the setting to, quote, keep all my subscriptions private, end quote, to allow you to be visible when subscribing. In most cases, the default privacy setting was on, and you were keeping your subscriptions private, such that your fellow YouTubers were unaware of your subscription to their channel and were unable to learn about people with a shared interest and potential business opportunities. By making your subscription visible, you will have the opportunity for your fellow YouTubers who are in the know to learn about yourself, your business, and what you have to offer through YouTube, which can be quite significant. So by turning off this default setting, you will increase the prospect for growth, both as to your YouTube channel and those commercials that you are promoting through YouTube, which YouTube is actually looking to facilitate, and you should be making possible for yourself. We welcome you to subscribe and comment, as we intend to continually share our insights and discoveries as to increasing our collective YouTube presence, as we further our pursuit of bringing important business information to those that have harnessed the enormous potential of YouTube. Thank you.